Let's get this install started, shall we? Yep. As most of you know, hopefully you guys can hear me okay. As most of you know, Lexus GX460, I believe 2015 all the way to 2018, 2019, premium and base models come with these lights. These lights are LED lights, aside from this one, the high beam. So to fix that, our sponsors for today, which is Lasfit, have sent us some bulbs to try out, and it's gonna fix and eliminate that ugly yellow light that we have as a high beam. These are gonna eliminate it. Also, they were kind enough to send us some turn signals, you know, just to check them out, just to see how they work. Some nice LED bulbs here. So we're gonna do a before and after here. We're gonna be changing out these bulbs from the headlight first. I'll show you how they look. Just stand by. Give me a sec. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that pretty good, but I'll probably flip the camera, close the garage, and show you guys how it would look if it was just that ugly yellow bulb. But let me close the garage and show you guys how it would look. I don't like it. I just don't like it at all. Sorry if you hear the motor of the truck. I don't like how it looks. When you're driving at night, early in the morning, whatever the case is, and you turn those high beams on, it'll seem like the low beams are actually brighter than the high beams. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna get Lasfit to help us out and fix this issue that we were having with this truck. And yeah, let's get into the install, shall we? Pretty damn good packaging, I would say. Beautiful box. I'll link everything in the description down below. Lasfit was very kind in giving us some discounts for their products. I'll link these specific ones for your Lexus if you want to get them. Of course, the turn signals and the high beams, as you saw, they're horrible. I'll link all this stuff in the description down below. Lasfit was able to give us a huge discount on their products, and you guys can use this discount code that I have right here for you. If you guys missed it, I'll go ahead and put it at the end of the video and on the link description. I'll put that link in the description below as well. So just so you're aware, we have discounts for them lights, bro. So if you were expecting to see more of these products, look at this thing. Look at that. Has a damn fan on there. Oh, focus. It has a fan. Those damn gloves, bro. So we're gonna get this installed. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of these beautiful light bulbs that we're gonna install here pretty soon. Let's go down to the truck and get this install started, shall we? I'm gonna put these damn gloves on. Before we start, I'm gonna show you guys the turn signals. That way you guys can check it out before we install them. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a pretty straightforward install, but I'll keep you guys updated. Let's run it. So if you're short like me, all you have to do is get a ladder, put it beside this thing. The headlight itself for the high beam has this cap. All you have to do is twist to the left, it comes right off, and then you'll have access to your light bulb, which also just twists to the left out. And then there's a clip, you just unclip it and you're done. Here it is, beautiful light bulb. Please tell me that's not a difference. Lasfit, yellow. Lasfit, yellow. Beautiful, beautiful difference. That's all it needed, bruh. Oh my god, let's do the other side. We gotta get these things the same. Let's go. Out with the old, in with the new. Turn signals are even easier. As you can see, Lasfit is on my right, you guys is left. OEM is on my left, you guys is right. You pick. It looks freaking amazing. Look how bright that is. even easier than the headlights. Twist, kind of clockwise, take out the bulb, put the new bulb, twist. That is it. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the left side of, or the driver's side of the truck, and that's gonna be it. I'll go ahead and do a quick cinematic shoot for you guys. You see how much brighter that is? Just look at that. Turn signals, oh my god. And then if we turn on the, damn, your light mode here. What else do you want? Wow, look at that. So we're gonna be doing a quick driving test, just because, as you can tell, look at how dark my street is. So that's the regular headlights, right? Left turn signal, look how bright that is. Look how bright that is. To the right, damn. Now, kaboom, holy cow. Jeez. Oh, damn. What a difference. That's like night and day. Holy cow. Let me go back into the street and check this out. Holy cow. Okay, you can't even see the cars over there, but then kaboom, where are we at? Oh man, that's beautiful. That's what I needed. Legit, really. Holy damn. Wow, that's bright. That is legit bright, guys. Lasfit, wow. Nah, I thought it was gonna be less. Wow, dude. One more time. Holy damn. Wow. But anyway, guys, thank you Lasfit for hooking us up with these bulbs for the GX. Man, I'm sorry guys, you guys were turned that way, so your hearing is gonna be completely trashed. I am so sorry. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. All the products, well, I mean, I guess these two products that I've showcased on today's video are gonna be linked in the description down below. Or my son's here, but we don't want to show him just yet. The product's gonna be linked in the description down below, so you guys can check them out. Again, discount code right here somewhere on the screen will be the discount code that you guys can use, and it will be also linked in the description down below, so you guys can buy it at it's actually a pretty good discount. We're getting 15% off. Huge discount. Thank you Lasfit. Awesome products. I have no complaints whatsoever right now. I guess we'll see later on the road, see how it, you know, how they perform. We don't really use them aside from the turn signals. We're not a BMW. So yeah, we do use those turn signals. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. A lot more things are gonna come soon. Trust me, please. I'm sorry that I haven't posted. I said that when you guys were facing that way. But thank you guys so much for staying tuned and for keeping my subscriber count going up. But if you guys have anything else, comment down below. Let me know how you guys are, what you guys are doing right now, how's life, everything. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Go, 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 go. Peace.